When I was 12, it was 1949, I went to HaBonim camp. And it was very exciting to be there then, because Israel was not even a year old, was just a year old. And a lot of the counselors were either making Aliyah, on their way, or they had been to Israel or Palestine and they were going back. And it was just a very exciting time to be there. And again, there was an emphasis on Hebrew language and on folk dancing and work, avodah. Everybody had to do work in the fields. And I came home and my parents were having one of their Oneg Shabbats, and I said very loudly, "Yiddish is a dead language. Why are you all speaking Yiddish?" And my parents' friends started yelling at my parents, "How did you send her to such a camp?"